Today's video is a quick one showing the new Bluetooth keyboard from ONEXPLAYER. We will unbox it, show the features and see how it improves on their original awful keyboard. The ONEXPLAYER Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard comes in a nice box matching the ONEXPLAYER black and orange theme. Lifting the lid reveals an instruction manual that is in Chinese. This may be updated to include English language in the future, though to be honest it's pretty straightforward how to connect and use, as we will show shortly. Underneath is the Bluetooth keyboard. It has a soft coating to help protect it. On the side is a USB Type-C charge port, which is nice to have instead of a mini USB port. The keyboard features all of the usual keys found on a mini keyboard. The gap in the middle where the keyboard folds is a bit strange at first and takes some getting used to, but after a while it was fine. You start the pairing process by holding Function and the C key for a second or two until the LED at the top left flashes. You can then pair it with your device as you normally would with any Bluetooth device. I wrote the voiceover script for this video using the mini keyboard, and overall it is not too bad. When the keyboard is closed, it is held together with a magnet that is strong enough to keep it closed so it will not accidentally open. It also acts as the power on and off switch, and it won't register key presses when closed. Once opened, it takes less than a second to connect to the paired device such as a ONEXPLAYER. And if we go back to the original ONEXPLAYER keyboard, the new one is a vast improvement. It remains flat on the table and doesn't move or warp or physically disconnect from the device. We were not a fan of the original as the design and usage was very bad. As this keyboard is Bluetooth 5.1, it should work with any Bluetooth compatible device, not just the ONEXPLAYER 1S like the original. If you are looking for a usable keyboard for your ONEXPLAYER, then this is well worth a look at. That wraps up this short review of the ONEXPLAYER Bluetooth keyboard. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos, and we hope to see you back in the next one.